friends, welcome back. It's your girl Estelle and I hope you're all doing well. So guys, I have a new recipe to share with you today. The menu of today is called Poisson Braisé au four avec Alloco et Oeufs Durs, or you could say bouillie d'œufs, which simply means braised fish with fried plantain and boiled eggs. Yum yum. So the ingredients I will be using today are simple and very easy to follow, and as you guys know, your girl Estelle will always make it easy for you to follow. Yeah. So about my homemade marinade, which I will be using to marinate the fish today, I know most of you may be wondering how to get the full list of the ingredients in order to make your own marinade. But don't worry guys, I have a video which I've already uploaded on YouTube about how to make today's marinade, which I will soon be using for this fish. And I will link the video at the end of this video for you guys so that you can go and have a look and hopefully follow the step and make your very own marinade. Now when it comes to the side sauce, I haven't uploaded a video yet about how to make this, but don't worry guys, I will soon upload a video step by step about how I have turned my homemade marinade to this delicious looking sauce. Alright guys, so without further ado, let me show you how to make this delicious dish. So guys, to get started, I've got two medium-sized tilapia fish. Whenever you're working with any type of fish, you want to make sure that you take it out of the fridge about 20 to 30 minutes before it gets to your pan or to your grill. This is gonna help to take the chill out of the fish and ensure that the fish cooks evenly. Here are the ingredients, and we have my homemade marinade, which I have talked about it earlier on. This is how it looks, and this is our sauce which I have made from the marinade, and I've also mentioned that during my intro. And I will be freshening up the fish with some fresh rosemary and fresh thyme, but it is not compulsory. If you don't have it, don't worry about it, your marinade will do the job. And I will be adding some fresh lime. Et voilà, c'est parti mes copines, let's get started. First, I'm going to take some of the marinade, just enough to marinate the fish, and the rest of the marinade in the jar. I will top it up with some oil before storing it. And the reason for that is to prevent the marinade from going out of date, and also to prevent it from getting moldy. Okay guys, now it's time to marinate our fish. So pour some of the marinade onto the fish and give it a good massage. Turn it over and repeat the same process. But before you cover it, don't forget to put your fresh rosemary and the fresh thyme along with your lime. Then finish it by covering it up using some tin foil or anything that could help you to cover the fish, and marinate it for at least 1 to 2 hours.
2 hours later.
Now our fish has marinated and it's time to start cooking. So spray a bit of oil onto the tray, then give it a good brush over, and that will prevent the fish from sticking. Then follow up by putting your fish on top and you are ready to start cooking. Next, set your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 356 Fahrenheit. Then put your fish and cook it until almost cooked. But keep checking to make sure your fish doesn't get burned. Next, it's time to check our fish. At this point, our fish is almost cooked. Go ahead and add in the pepper sauce we took out earlier on. Then give it a good massage and turn it over and repeat the same process. And cook it until cooked. So guys, while the fish is cooking, I am going to show you how I fried my plantain. Some fresh plantain which I've cut in 2 different shapes as you can see, and here are how the fresh plantain looks like. Then some oil for frying. I am also using 4 eggs for boiling, and this is how it looks like. Now it's time to start frying our plantain. Set the fire on a medium to high heat, then wait until the oil reaches temperature. Then fry your plantain until golden, and if possible taste one first to make sure it's cooked to your desired taste. Then remove it and cover it and keep it warm and set it aside for later. So guys, now that we have finished frying our plantain, I am also going to hard boil the eggs, and once they are hard boiled, turn it off and let it cool down. Next, it's time to check our fish, and it should be now cooked. Turn off your oven, then let it rest for at least 5 to 10 minutes before serving. Guys, the smell in here is amazing. I wish you guys were here with me to share this delicious dish. Unfortunately, it's not the case, but at least you've got the recipe now. Give it a try and let me know how it turns out. I'm pretty sure you would love this, guys, especially at this time of the year. Alright guys, this brings the end to our today's video. If you've enjoyed the video, give it a try. If you like what I've done, you like the recipe, give it a try and let me know in the comment section below how it turns out. And also don't forget to give the video a like, comment, share with your families and friends. And also if you are new to my channel and if this is your first time watching my video, thank you so much for tuning up. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share with your families and friends. Until then guys, I will catch up with you in my next video. Bye all.